Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to see me do like a little kitten flick like I've done here, but without using any liquids or pencils or cream or gel eyeliners, especially if you're new to makeup, watch this video. So with clean hands, I'm going to apply some moisturizer. I'm just going to massage that into my face. I feel like this moisturizer works as a primer and a hydrator all in one. Then moving on to foundation, I think I'm going to use the M.A.C Face and Body. I'm just going to apply that to the back of my hand and then mix in this Hydra Life BB cream by DIOR, and then just using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to start with areas of the face that I feel like need most coverage. For me, that's around my mouth and my nose. Then I'll move on to concealer. And then I'm going to take this little blender. It's not a beauty blender. It's I got it at Shoppers, just their in-house brand. But I do use it wet as well. Like I wash it and it washes perfectly. I like to be really bright in this area, so. Once that's done, I'm going to powder just a little bit. I'm going to show you this one trick that I like. I take some loose powder. I'm going to take the Chanel loose powder. Oops, don't get it everywhere. And then just dab some in. And then just dab it right where I want to do a little bit of baking. I don't want to bake the rest of my face. It doesn't matter how much I powder, with loose powder or whatever, if I don't bake my under eye, it always creases. Because I haven't set the rest of the face yet, I can do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to use this as a contour and kind of a bronzer. Just with my finger, I'm kind of going to blend that into my skin. It is a little bit orangey, but I like that kind of bronze sun-kissed kind of glow. If you have good brushes, that's great, but if you don't really have a lot of brushes and you're just kind of starting out, it's great to just use the tools you have. Because I've used a warmer tone today to contour, I'm going to use probably these two shades from the ANASTASIA contour kit. And then just taking a pressed powder, I'll probably just powder the rest of my face a little bit. And then I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I feel like my eyebrows can use a lot of filling in. Okay, once I'm done, I like to give them a comb through just to kind of evenly distribute all that product. So since my eyebrows grow downwards, setting them in place with a clear brow gel is always a must for me. So moving on to eyes, I'm going to apply this primer potion by DECAY. My eyelids are really oily. If I don't do this before applying eyeshadow, it always creases. Today I'm going to use the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush like this one, just a crease blending brush, and then I will take this one here and kind of apply it right on the lid. And then I'll bring that to just below the brow bone as well. And I will just bring it to the inner corner as well. Then to the wing portion of the look. Take your angled brush and then just I'm going to dip it into that, into lethal. And just kind of top off the excess on the back of your hand. And then staying really close to the lash line, just at the outer edge, kind of massage it into that area. Bringing it in, but keeping it really, really close to the lash line. You're tight lining at this point, so you don't want any skin showing. Wherever you want your, the flick to be, but basically you just want to massage back and forth right at that corner. You don't want to bring it out too much. So again, keeping it really close to the lash line, your tight lining, and just bring it in to about, the middle of your eye. You don't want to bring it in too much. See how like I didn't close it in yet. So just kind of, watch both sides. You want the wing to be, similar, proportionate at least. So then just taking a little smudge brush, kind of massage that in the corner. So you kind of just blend that along. And it just, when it diffuses into nothing, it's so pretty. Take like a little bit of a fluffier brush and kind of just swoop back and forth just to completely blend it out. I'm going to take Tempted and kind of just bring some definition to the crease. Before I do my mascara, I think I'm going to wipe off this little powder that I had under my eyes. And before I do mascara, I think I'm going to do some blush. It's a nice corally kind of pinky blush. Okay, mascara. I'm using this one because I can get really close to the lash line, and I'm helping that tight line kind of even get more defined by keeping my mascara really close, just at the roots for now. So once I feel like I have the desired amount at the base, I'm going to then just apply mascara to the rest of the lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I think I'm going to use this shade right here, just to kind of bring some pink back into the look. And then maybe some of this just to the middle, just to kind of highlight. Then I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting just with this ANASTASIA palette. I'm taking a little fan brush right here, kind of just to the high points, so the cheeks, tip of the nose, and a little bit to the bridge. Cupid's bow. Just maybe all over. Just kidding. Yeah, just a little bit, you know, nothing, no big deal. Just a little kitten flick going on. And if you'd like it, please comment below, like my video, and also share it with your friends. So I will try to post monthly videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and you'll see some more work from me coming up.